A stylish, low-profile look, versatile and economical design are just a few qualities that describe the DHP Maven platform bed. Upholstered in black faux leather, this bed has clean lines for an upscale modern look. The curved, flexible slat design eliminates the need for a box spring and adapts to the unique comfort and shape of each sleeper. The slat design also allows air to pass freely beneath the bed, keeping your mattress cool throughout the night. The sturdy metal and wood frame construction provide great back support and excellent pressure distribution. Available in twin, full, or queen size, the DHP platform bed elevates the look of any bedroom.